Welcome to Subliva Group, a leading manufacturer dedicated to bringing you top-tier products for the catering industry. Since our establishment in 2003, we've expanded our horizons, keeping pace with the ever-changing market trends and continuously innovating to meet the needs of our global customers. At the heart of Subliva Group lies our fully equipped manufacturing hub, where precision meets efficiency. Our cutting-edge machinery enables us to quickly design, mold, and manufacture top-quality products, ensuring shorter turnaround times and keeping you ahead of the competition. First, let's take a look at our ashtrays and ashbins, designed for both style and function. These items are crafted to be durable and visually appealing, perfect for any modern bar or lounge. Next up, we have our Bar Caddies, a must-have for any busy bartender. Made with practicality in mind, these caddies help keep your workspace neat and organized, allowing you to serve your customers more efficiently. Our bar cutting boards are crafted from premium materials, offering durability and ease of maintenance. They're the perfect tool for both preparation and presentation. Subliva Group also offers a comprehensive range of bar sundries, including essential tools like stirrers, tongs, and strainers. Each piece is carefully crafted to support the precision and skill of professional bartenders. Finally, our bottle carriers and baskets are designed to transport and display your bottles in style. Whether you're hosting a private event or outfitting a trendy bar, these carriers offer both convenience and aesthetic appeal. At Subliva Group, we believe that quality is the vitality of an enterprise. That's why every product we create undergoes rigorous quality checks to meet the highest industry standards. With our passion for excellence and our commitment to innovation, Subliva Group is proud to offer a full spectrum of products designed to enhance your catering experience. From barware to kitchenware, we have everything you need to stay ahead of the market trends. Text on screen. Subliva Group, elevating every experience. Let's create something exceptional together.